Hey gamers, thanks for clicking. This is Four Eyes here with some gameplay footage from Warp Tops in sunny California on a beautiful Saturday morning. The weapon I'm running is a heavily upgraded Crytek Rex 7. Hope you enjoy the video. This was the first game of the day, so the field wasn't fully populated. I think there's about 20 people on each side. There's a decently strong crosswind at the field today. And this particular field, at this particular spot, you can probably notice it has pretty long engagement distances, anywhere from 150 to 200 feet. Makes hitting your shots a little difficult. You'll hear some of us get a little spammy, but that's why. If you're wondering what I used to record this, it's an Insta360 Go Ultra. It's the first time I've ever actually recorded gameplay footage. The video feed you're seeing, there's no editing, it's raw from the camera. I think it did a really good job. Really happy with how it turned out.
Anyone got your names?
Yeah.
I can get you up the Thunderdome if you want to try to get one in.
Are they behind it?
They're in it. There's a whole bunch of guys. I got banged by somebody inside it and behind it. There's people behind it too. But I can get you up there.
We push up to this right here where the ref is?
I'm saying like that back wall, right where the blue containers are, because they can see us from tank on that slanted one.
All right, well, let's push up to here.
Oh, no. There you go.
I don't know if he's gonna go back to this dude truck on the hill.
Huh?
On this side. Before I died. I don't see him there anymore, but
That's you. Maybe you think you can make it to Thunderdome?
Got him. He's down. Reload. Hey, I'm gonna push up.
No, they can be up there.
You ready for me to push?
Okay. You alright?
Yeah, landed on a...
alright, Thomas, we gotta do something. We're moving up
There are
or
people inside that building now.
oh, is there?
Yeah.
You
I can see him moving around.
I could crawl on that stretch, but get to the pool. Oh, somebody's taking it. Oh, is that Joel? I think you're
Alrighty. Oh, my bad. Oh. Basically, if you go to the left of that blue barrel goal.
Yeah.
Yeah, I can see them. You see them moving around in there.
Inside of this, right in front of us?
Yeah, you see the shadow on that wall?
Oh yeah.
They're in there.
Why don't I take this left side, right covered, Thomas, you cover right, and if you want to run. Oh, but hit your knee though, right? Oh, that works too.
Alright.
I don't even need to go up.
Okay.
Oh, deploy too early.
You sure you? It has a roof though, you can't throw it through the roof.
Oh, okay.
Could try to go right here, but it might be a little exposed to the leg.
Alright. I'm gonna push that blue barrel.
Give me some cover and I'm gonna run up.
Are you gonna go out now?
Yeah.
Alright, ready? Set, go.
Fuck. Whew. I need a second.
Bang, bang. Nope. I had it on you.
Parlay, 15 feet.
Parlay.
Both of you
Yeah,
step
parlay.
Ding ding.
Nope, now you're dead, Mike.
So I think that last part needs a bit of explanation. At this field, they have a 15-foot minimum engagement. So when two people come face to face, barrel to barrel, is parlay, where they lower the barrels, they move outside of the engagement distance, and then they can re-engage. And they also have bang bang if you're within that 15 feet. So my teammate went around the corner and tried to bang bang, but because they were both directly facing each other, the ref said no, that's a parlay. So when they went to split their distance, I was actually behind the enemy, was able to just bang bang him there.
No man holds the trench. Red team, you have 5 minutes to recapture. 5 minutes. You on the berm side, you'll respawn, you are out of bounds.
Get in the trench, get it. No, right.
One behind bus!
Oh, is that us? I lost the ball. Do you have people in the building? Well, purple flag. They can't pass. This gun is built for city. You think they're in a team back or you're going to shoot them with them? Do you have people in the building? Because there's a powerful get people in there. Two pushing buttons. Do? Because it's supposed to be in there, but... Yeah. Yeah, sure.
Oh shit, I almost hit you with my gun.
Oh, you're good, no worries. You want to try to get in the building, Jimmy? Huh? You want to get in the building? Yeah, be throwing something. So I don't know if we're covered that way.
Oh, my Granada.
Oh. Back to
He hold that for me?
Yeah, absolutely.
He said the other one didn't go off.
Is this the one that didn't go off?
This is the one that went off.
Okay.
But it, like, in my hand as I threw it. Yeah, these things are terribly unreliable.
What? Ben?
Thank you, sir.
I really want to see if you can get those red ends.
Hey.
I got one car.
Hey.
There's two in the trench. I saw one off.
Hey, we need more guys in Trent.
Yo, front, I'll go front. Go, be covered. Yo, can you hold it cover?
Yeah, watch for the dude at the yellow bus on left side, on the hood of it.
Yeah, I see it. Alright,
That's a hit, got him.
bang. Alright. We go front trench. Don't shoot.
One more. Minivan.
Someone want to join me up here? Yeah, trust me, you got a lot more view up here.
Hey, we don't need to push. We got the flag.
Yeah.
How much time do we got left?
Hey, yo.
30 seconds.
Hey, wood building right here.
Got him. Let's go. Got him. Let's go.
Blue shirt, you at the bus, you are out of bounds. Cameraman, you are out of bounds. Go respawn. You running by the tank. Yes.
Woo! I think it burst only. They got me pegged. I can't peek.
Alright, yeah, there's a couple on the bus. I don't believe I can range them there.
They're inside this wood building in front of us. He's loading. I can't shoot. You guys got any freedom over there?
Yeah. How's your gun with range?
Great.
Yeah, there's
That is game. That is game. That is game.
All right, that's the game. That was a fun game. So thank you so much for watching this. This was my first video. I'd love to make some more. So feel free to leave a comment if you have any questions. A like, that's awesome too. But yeah, appreciate it.
Hey, good on the dude that capped it.